Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you've installed Kali Linux, but you're not satisfied with the default Firefox browser? Want to use Google Chrome instead? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Google Chrome on Kali Linux. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through every step. While Kali comes with Firefox pre-installed, many users prefer Chrome for its speed, synchronization features, and familiar interface. Plus, if you're doing web application testing, having multiple browsers is always helpful. Let's get started with the installation. First, open the terminal. You can do this by clicking on the terminal icon at the top of your screen or by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Before we download Chrome, let's make sure our system is up to date. Type this command and press Enter. Sudo apt update. Enter your password when prompted. Now we need to download the Google Chrome deb package. We'll use wget to download it directly from Google. Type this command. This will download the latest stable version of Google Chrome. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, we need to install the package. Type this command. Press Enter and type Y when asked to confirm the installation. The installation will now begin. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. And that's it! Google Chrome is now installed on your Kali Linux system.